When you're looking for an image to use on a slideshow presentation or in a document, and you do not want a background associated with that image, so you don't want the giant white box behind it or the picture in the background, what you need is a transparent image. So example, in Google, I want an image of an expo marker. So I type that in, I'll search it, choose images for my categories, go to tools, click on that, and then what you really need is a qualification for the color, and you need transparent. Then, in theory, only transparent background images are pulled up. I'm finding that's not actually what always happens. So I start to click on one that I might like. Here's a generic one. Notice the checkerboard background. That is the official symbol of a transparent background. So I could choose kind of a generic marker. I could go through and choose a set of 4 with these transparent backgrounds. I alternate click or right click if you have that set up, copy image, and then I can go paste it wherever I want. When I'm searching for images for our slideshow that we share with you guys, I'm trying to only include these images that do not have a background associated with them.